Hello, my dear student. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. As you know that during online classes we are doing the CBSE numerical. This is our first revision video related to CBSE questions. So the first question of 5 mark is: a student want to project the image of candle flame on the wall of school laboratory by using a lens. So first we have to identify which type of lens should he use and why. And the second question is: at what distance in terms of focal length f the lens should be placed the candle flame so as to get magnified and diminished image respectively on the wall. Draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image in each case. So as you can see that it is written there, image is formed on the wall of laboratory. Therefore this is a real image. So the convex lens is used here. So which type of lens is used and why? Convex lens. So first part answer is this, because it produces a real image on the of the candle flame as on the wall, as it is a converging in nature. Second is: at what distance f should be placed in terms of f the candle flame should be placed to get magnified image. Magnified means enlarged image. So we should place the object between focal length and twice of focal length so that we will get an enlarged image of the object, means greater than its focal length and less than its radius of curvature. To get a diminished image, we should locate the object beyond its center of curvature, that is 2f1. So we will get the image between f and 2f, 2 and 2f2. So it will be a diminished image. The next is: draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image in the each case. So as you can see that we have drawn the diagrams also. So in this way you will get the CBSE questions. So let's continue with the next one. Okay. Second question is: a convex lens can form a magnified, erect, as well as magnified inverted image of an object placed in front of it. Draw ray diagram to justify the statement, stating the position of the object with respect to lens in each case. And then second part is a numerical. An object height 4 cm is placed at a distance of 20 cm from a concave lens of focal length 10 cm. Use lens formula to determine the position of the image formed. So it is a 5 mark question. As you can see in the first part, it is written magnified and erect. What does it mean? Enlarged image and erect image. So we know that convex lens can form erect and enlarged image. So we will use, but where we will use convex lens, and where we should situate the object between optical center and focus. And the same is written again: magnified and inverted image. Inverted image means real image and it should be magnified. So again a convex lens will be used, but this time object should be placed between the focal length and the 2f, that is f1 and 2f1. So one ray will go parallel and pass through the focus, another ray will pass through the optical center in the ray diagram, and where the rays after refraction will meet, there we will get an image. So in this way, using ray diagrams, we have to explain the answer. This is justification. And in the next part, numerical, as you can see that height of object is given. So that is always positive according to sign convention. Object distance is always negative. So u is minus 20. Concave focal length is virtual, so minus 10 centimeter. And the nature of lens is concave given already. Image distance we have to calculate. So using lens formula, you can calculate this numerical: 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So now let's do the next numerical. Okay. Now next question is: when an object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a convex lens, an image of the same size as the object is formed. What will be the nature of the image formed when the object is placed at 20 centimeter from the lens and 30 centimeter from the lens? Explain your answer with reason. Also calculate the distance of the image in each case. This is 2016 question. So in the first case, as you are watching, object distance is 50 centimeter, and as a hint it is given height of the image is equal to height of the object, and moreover the same size is given. So we know that magnification is 1 when height of image is equal to height of object. So we will substitute it v by minus u, because by the sign conventions we are substituting it. And moreover v is equal to minus v. So v value we have got, that is 50 centimeter. So when we will substitute it by using that, we will calculate focal length is 25 centimeter. Now the next is, from here we come to know about focal length. In the second case, now object distance is 20 centimeter, and using first case we have calculated the focal length. So u is given minus 20 less than focal length. So we know that in this case virtual erect and enlarged image will formed. As you can see that we can calculate it, because in the above part he is asking what will be the nature of the image. So nature of the image will be virtual, erect, and it would be enlarged image. So, and using lens formula, we will calculate the image distance as already solved in front of you. And in the second case, that 30 centimeter of the object means image object distance is given from the lens is 30 centimeter and focal length is 25. So, it is greater than focal length but less than radius of curvature. So in this case, we will get between f1 and 2f1 situation. So in this case, enlarged image will be formed. This is the next question that we have discussed during online class. Define focal length of spherical lens. And the divergent lens has a focal length of 30 centimeter. At what distance should an object be height 5 centimeter from the object optical center of a lens be placed so that the image is formed 15 centimeter away from the lens? Find the size of the image. And the next is draw a ray diagram. So it is a 5-mark question. So what is the focal length? It is the distance between the optical center and the focus of the lens. So here also you can read it. Several rays of light rays parallel to principal axis are falling to the spherical lens. The rays after refraction from the lens are converges or diverges to the principal axis. This point on principal axis is called focus of the lens, and the distance of the focus from the optical center of the lens is called its focal length. So in this question is asking only focal length. The second is, it is given divergent lens. So we come to know that it is a concave lens. So f value is minus 30 we will take because focal length is given. Height of object is given 5 centimeter. Image distance, as we know that in case of concave, object image is virtual, erect and diminished. So it is on the same side of the object. So that's why according to sign convention minus 15 centimeter. We have to calculate object distance and height of image. So using lens formula we will calculate object distance, and using magnification formula we will find out the height of the image also. As you can see in the ray diagram, concave lens is given. So in concave lens, when a ray is parallel to principal axis, after refraction it appears to diverge from the focus, and second ray pass through the optical center. So we got the image between optical center and focus. So we have to take care, like in convex rays, after refraction they passes through the focus actually, so they bend towards the focus. But in case of concave, they appear to diverge from the lens after refraction. So that's why we have to take care. So do practice for this numerical. Thank you and have a nice day.